on with it.
Yeah, we're about to do the, what's it called? The ranch
And pickle.
ranch pickle challenge something or other.
Gotta wait for tomorrow.
Okay, the instruction says to open this this thing of pickles, which my wife can't open it, so you know I gotta open it for her because you know, yeah, I got the muscles in here.
Man of the house.
And then we gotta put it in the fridge for a day, and then we can eat them tomorrow.
Now we opened it. Now we're gonna add the seasoning in there.
This is not pickle shape.
You gotta like ranch, otherwise
Yes.
this challenge ain't for you.
But you gotta use a whole pack, okay guys? See?
Yo, you gotta swish it in there or something.
I need a fork, guys. So you just smush it in
Are
here.
you sure it's just one packet?
Yeah.
They don't look like so much.
So go get this. Oh no, seasoning's upstairs.
No, that's good.
Alright, so we just
Oh,
smush it
okay,
in
yeah,
there
look,
like
it's
that.
It's all in there now. Swimming in there.
It's a piece of fish. So then we close it. And then we shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the pickles. Shake the...
Shake the pickles. Pickle shaking. It's all in there now?
Yes.
See it. It's
You
swimming.
can't see it.
Alright
It's
guys.
swimming.
We'll
Come
show
back for
you.
tomorrow.
Bye.